So welcome friends. Today I unbox a very popular product. Actually, this is a gaming mouse, and the mouse come from Cosmic Byte. And another thing is the looks of the mouse is pretty cool. So okay, let's unpack this. You can see the Cosmic branding is here, and this is the function LED backlit, and this is RGB backlit, and this is cable 1.8 meter, and the DPI is actually pretty cool. This you see that the number is so much that I cannot read here. This support all system, that means you can easily use in PlayStation, Xbox, and Mac, Windows, Linux, any other operating system. And this is the CB branding. Okay, let's unpack this. As you can see, this is the mouse actually. Okay, and the another thing is the product quality is very high. As you can see, this is a
Braided.
this is better than a metallic wire. Okay, and this is the warranty plus users manual, and the warranty actually apply for only for Asia Pacific or India region. As you can see, this is, and you can see also function from here. And okay, let's the texture is almost good, and this is the sensor here, and this is from here you can control resolution.
Okay, the texture of the mouse is pretty good. You can see the rubberized finish for good maneuverability, and the mouse comes from a good branding also. And the sensor you can see is here A3050, which is a gaming sensor and pretty much precision, such like games like MOBA gamings and such like Dota 2, CSGO, etc. And this is the resolution switch. You can adjust DPI from here. It is from 1000 to 4000, and this is 10 macro keys. You can hear 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10. You can program those switches by a software which is provided by Cosmic Byte itself. And these two keys are for the DPI on the go. You can increase the DPI settings from this switch and decrease the DPI settings from this switch.
Another thing is you can program here your keyboard switch, that means laptop keyboard switch here. So okay, let's connect the mouse into the laptop. And as you can see here, there I connected the mouse into the laptop, and actually I feel what is the touch of this mouse. Actually this is pretty decent and cool, and the lightings are, it's feel like an Alienware mouse, but in compare as price, the price is far more better than, that means more less than Alienware. And so let's look at the light in dark night. Okay, as you can see here, this is the light is, oh what a look, as you can see here. And another thing, by this software you can change this light also. As you can see here, this is a very good looks. It looks like a DJ at night here. You can see here. Okay, so let's on the, so okay friends, if you want to buy this, go from Flipkart or Amazon or any other local store. And my recommendation is in and another thing is the price of the mouse is in 1500, and my decision is in 2000 range and 1500 range. This is the best mouse, and you can easily buy Cosmic Bright brands because it is a very durable product. Okay friends, if you like this video, please like and subscribe to my channel and share among with your friends.